The Canon PIXMA X6820 wireless inkjet printer is a low-cost option for a micro or home office that needs to print on paper as large as 13 by 19 inches. Canon PIXMA X6820 wireless inkjet printer, $199.99, offers almost the same set of features as the Canon PIXMA X6520 inkjet business printer. Among the few differences are a slightly faster speed, a little lower quality for text, and a little higher quality for photos. The most significant update, however, is the addition of both wired and wireless network support. If you're looking for an inkjet printer for tabloid or even larger size paper, that makes the PIXMA X6820 $229 at Amazon, opens in a new window, a better fit for sharing in a micro office, although its paper handling limits that role. There aren't many single-function printers that are both affordable enough for even a home office and able to print on larger than letter and legal size paper. The direct competition for the PIXMA X6820 includes the Editor's Choice Epson Workforce WF7010 and not much else. That said, there are also some older, less directly comparable models, like the HP OfficeJet 7000 wide format printer, that are no longer being manufactured, but that you can still find for sale on a few websites. One advantage that the X6820 has over the Epson WF7010 is its Wi-Fi support. It also offers some mobile print capability, including printing through the cloud, support for AirPrint, and support for printing from Android and iOS phones and tablets over Wi-Fi, using Canon's free apps. Note that for any of these mobile print features to work, you have to connect the printer directly to a network. Number 2. The Canon PIXMA TR4520 inkjet all-in-one delivers exceptional output and is packed with useful features including Amazon Alexa voice support, making it a solid addition to low-volume home offices. The entry-level Canon PIXMA TR4520 wireless printer, $99.99, is designed for light-duty family and home-based office use. This could be expected for an all-in-one at this price. It's somewhat slow and expensive to use, but it comes with a strong feature set and prints exceptionally well, especially photos. Also, like a few other printers we've seen recently, it includes support for Amazon's Alexa, allowing for hands-free printing. It's a strong contender for home office users who need an inexpensive AIO for light-duty printing, copying, and scanning. Entry-level home-based printers like the TR4520 spend most of the time sitting idle until you call on them to churn out the occasional photo, a few document pages here, a copy or two there, you get the idea. Hence Canon and its competitors design them to take up as little desk or countertop real estate as possible. To that end, the TR4520 measures 7.5 by 17.7 by 11.7 inches, HWD, and weighs 13 pounds, which is in line with its low-cost competition as for paper handling. The TR4520 comes with one 100-sheet paper tray, and its manual duplexing automatic document feeder, ADF, holds up to 20-letter size sheets. Its sibling, the PIXMA TR7520, on the other hand, holds up to 200 sheets, split between 100-sheet front and rear trays. The HP OfficeJet 3830, the least expensive of this group, holds the same number of sheets as the TR4520, but cannot print two-sided pages automatically. And finally, Epson's WF2860, $82.26 at Amazon, opens in a new window, holds up to 150 sheets from one input source. Number 3. The Canon PIXMA TS6220 wireless inkjet all-in-one printer churns out exceptional output for low-volume small offices and homes. The Canon PIXMA TS6220 wireless, $149.99, is an all-in-one inkjet printer designed for family and/or home-based office use. It prints exceptionally well, which isn't a surprise being that it's backed by 5 inks. It's also fast for its class. Like many lower-end family-oriented consumer-grade photo AIOs, its running costs are high, and it lacks an automatic document feeder, ADF, for copying and scanning multi-page documents, relegating it to low-volume print and copy environments. Even so, if all you need is 100 or so prints and copies each month, and output quality is important to you, the TS6220 is a solid and affordable option. Measuring 5.5 by 14.7 by 12.5 inches, HWD, with its trays closed, and weighing 13.5 pounds, the TS6220 is identical in size and girth, and appearance, to its predecessor, the TS6120, but smaller and lighter than several competing models, especially the Epson XP7100 and Brothers' small office-oriented MFC J895DW. HP's closely priced Envy Photo 7155 is, on the other hand, just slightly bigger and heftier than the PIXMA TS6220A. Primary reason for the Epson and Brother models' increased size and girth is that both come with ADFs, while, as mentioned, the TS6220 and the Envy 7155 do not. If you think you'll need to copy or scan multi-page documents or relatively large stacks of originals, the lack of an ADF is, in terms of productivity and convenience, critical. To get an ADF from a TS series PIXMA, you'll have to step up to the wide-format TS9520, or you can go with one of Canon's more business-centric TR series PIXMAs, such as the Editor's Choice PIXMA TR8520.